Let's just start with my favorite element, that swoosh. Dusty Cactus, nice teal color. The side, the edge of the swoosh being in Volt is what really makes it pop. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Quick Scopes. Today we have the Air Force One Move to Zero White Dusty Cactus White Volt. Bear in mind, this is a replacement box. Let me take this opportunity to ask you to like, leave your thoughts, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Purchase links for these in the description. Stay tuned for the on foot. So yeah, let's start from the soles up. So we have a Dusty Cactus outsole. We have a white speckled midsole stitch, Nike Air and strip. And then we come to this upper. So this upper is composed of a white leather-like material mainly. And if we start from around the toe, you'll see this white leather-like material around the toe and on the toe box. It's not quite leather. This is a synthetic material, a man-made material to resemble leather. You'll see that we have different leather effects on that toe box. Really nice textures to it. Going up the shoe, you'll see the same textured material on the eye state in white, and at the base, you'll see that we have a white dubré. This dubré is in a pair of white laces to the thickness that I like. These laces conceal a white synthetic leather tongue, and at the top of this tongue you'll see that we have a white tongue tab with Dusty Cactus for the Nike Air. Taking a look at the mid portion of the shoe, you'll see that the mid panel again is in that synthetic leather, and then we come to the swoosh. So the swoosh is Dusty Cactus, a nice teal color. What's interesting about this swoosh is to the side of the swoosh, if you can look carefully, you'll see that it is Volt. The edges themselves is a different color to the swoosh. A nice touch right here. That Volt really does pop. Continuing to the foxing, you'll see that the foxing is the same as the rest of the upper in that white synthetic leather. And then we come to the heel of the shoe, which features Dusty Cactus once again and white for the Nike Air. Taking a look inside the shoe, you'll see that we have a white sock liner with Volt for the insole and black Nike pinwheel. Let me know what you think of this pair. For me, these are pretty nice. This one is a pretty good one. Let's just start with my favorite element, that swoosh. As I said before, Dusty Cactus, nice teal color, but it's the fact of the side, the edge of the swoosh being in Volt is what really makes it pop. It's almost like a sort of outline or sort of, it's a shadow, but it is just so nice and vibrant. Remember, we have seen this recently with the University Gold Air Force Ones, where the swoosh is black and it has that little yellow edge that really makes it pop. And this replicates that again, a really cool touch. The synthetic material on this upper is really aesthetically pleasing. It does give the appearance of leather without it actually being leather. It's got a nice grain to it. The light shines off it quite nicely and it does look like leather on appearance, but to the touch, it's not quite there. It is softer than your usual artificial materials, but it's not quite leather. This pair is a part of the Move to Zero range, and this features at least 20% recycled materials, as you can see right here. Pause, read the literature, or check the links in the description below. As for the laces, these white laces, very nice. Obviously goes well with the upper. You could switch them out. Maybe if you have a Dusty Cactus lace lying about, that would work perfectly. Or maybe another shade of teal or something like that. I think the perfect lace would be a Dusty Cactus lace with the tips in Volt, you know, the agglers. That would be sensational. Really perfect color match, everything. That would be the best. Think of something better? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, only these white laces come with this pair, so if you want to do a lace swap, you can do from your lace box. This pair comes in women's sizing. They fit like normal Air Force Ones. Compared to other shoes, go down half a size, but remember, this pair comes in women's sizing. Let's check these out on feet. With all that being said, I give these a 7 out of 10. Really nice colors, and I just love the edge of that swoosh. Really, really cool. Let me know your thoughts. Remember, purchase links for these in the description. How do these compare to the Air Force One Platinum Violet? Similar build to this. It's got the same kind of leather and all of that. Move to zero goodness, sustainability. Let me know your thoughts. Purchase links for both in the description. Check out more of the Platinum Violet right here. I've been Scopes. Thank you everybody for subscribing, sharing your thoughts. It's always appreciated. Signing out. See ya!